Hello everyone! Happy Fabletics video day. Alright, so jumping into last month. So last month I ordered quite a few things, but there was really one noteworthy thing that I want to talk about, and that is this teal dress. So it is kind of a mid-thigh, got a low scoop neck, but not so low in the back that you can't wear a bra, a little T-strap. And even though I am like full on 9 months pregnant, huge, ready to go any second now, I actually wore this 3 times. So I wore it to 2 separate Christmas parties and a New Year's party. And because it's sort of like a straight shape, it actually like looked really good on my belly. So I really liked that. And then also because it's this stretchy sort of jersey material, it didn't stretch out at all. So I don't plan on wearing it anymore in the last few weeks of my pregnancy because I don't want to push it. I don't want to stretch it out at all. But it really worked for what I needed it for. I really needed something to wear over the holidays. Didn't want to buy anything new maternity because it's at the end and you just don't want to spend the money on that. But yeah, I thought it was great. I wore it with some maternity leggings and a really cute sweater, like cardigan, open. And I was really happy with it. And then I also don't think it's going to be too big for everyday wear when I'm no longer pregnant. So I think that it's just that type of a straight shape where it will look good later as well. And right now I couldn't have gotten away with it without leggings because my belly made it a lot shorter. I'm not sure how it will be without a belly, but I think it might be long enough to get away with it. So we'll just have to see. All right, so jumping into this month. So this month they had new colors of my favorite hipster panties. So I got those. It's like a dark purpley blue, light purpley blue, and a gray. Always get new colors of those every time they come out because they're my favorite. And then I got this shirt, and I actually have it in black, even though I haven't worn it yet. I did get it a couple of months ago. I ordered it in this like light pink color. So it's a real silky workout material, and then on the bottom it has some like mesh sort of detail, but this is like underneath your pant line. So it doesn't show any skin or anything like that. It's really, I think it's going to be really flattering. A couple of months ago when I ordered the black one and I tried it on, it wasn't something I was going to wear at the time being pregnant, but I could tell that it was going to be really flattering, soft, comfortable for when I'm no longer pregnant. So when I saw this as part of one of the outfits, I was like, yes, sign me up. I want it. Let's go. So that was exciting. And then I think this was an outfit with these pants. And so these are like a little bit darker shade. And then they're the full length leggings. And so I thought that those would be really cute. I love this like blush pink. That's one of my favorite colors. So I like that. And then I ordered this sport bra, which I haven't tried on yet. So I'm going to definitely try it on before I take off the tags. But it's this really cute print, and it's a little bit V-neck, but not a lot. Regular kind of bra straps, like they actually have the movable thing. And then the back is really cute. So it's got kind of a swoop on the top, but then straight across on the bottom to really like hold you in. So I'm excited to try that. I have pretty much had pretty good luck with all of the sports bras other than some of the really, really low impact ones I didn't like, but most of the medium to high impact ones I have liked a lot. So I will try that on before I take off tags, but pretty sure that's going to be good. And then with my reward points, I ordered this tank top, and I'm actually really excited about it. So I have quite a few pairs of leggings that look really good with gray shirts, but I only have one gray workout top, so it's always in the wash. And most of those ones look okay with black as well, but sometimes it's like you want to wear something other than black. So it is like a plain workout tank top in the front. And then the back has both regular straps and crisscrossy straps with like a little bit of a loop on the bottom. And I just thought that was cute. It's no built-in bra. It looks nice and flowy. Again, I'm not really going to know how it fits until after I'm not pregnant anymore. But I've had really good luck with most of the tank tops from Fabletics, so I'm pretty sure that that's going to look good and feel good. And it's such that soft workout material. I love that. And then last thing was that this month they had a special where if you ordered like a certain amount of money's worth of products, you got a free pair of leggings or leggings for $25 or something. I don't remember. But I did that deal and I got these capri length leggings in this like rose print. And I have a sport bra in this print and I originally really wanted the pants but didn't get them because I was trying to not get any more pants but couldn't say no when they had the deal, so took that opportunity to get the pattern that I really, really liked. I'm obsessed with roses. They're my favorite. I love pink. I just thought that this is the most beautiful pattern. Love that I have a sports bra that's gonna match it. Yeah, so I thought that that was really fun too. All right, well that is everything that I got this month from Fabletics. As always, thank you guys so much for watching and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!